What makes Algonquin Park so stunning that people from all over the world want to come here? Canadians will drive 4 to 6 hours just to camp here for one night. Let's spend one full day at Lake of Two Rivers Campground in Algonquin Park, Canada, and see why this place is so special. There's something magical about waking up to complete silence, except for the loons calling across the lake. Good morning from Algonquin Park. This is going to be an incredible day. After our morning coffee ritual, we're hitting the water. The best way to experience Algonquin Park is by canoe. Before we dive into this incredible place, quick favor. Subscribe if you're ready to explore more traveling with us. Who says Canadian lakes are too cold for swimming? Okay, it's refreshing. Moments like these are why our subscribers love following our journey. Come aboard and join them. Another great way to see Algonquin is on two wheels. You don't like to bike? Well, then do one of the amazing trails we did. Who says you can't eat great camping? There's nothing better than a camping meal. Check out our favorite make-ahead camping meals in another video. The link should be on the screen right now. As the sun sets, nothing better than s'mores and a cozy campfire. This is what we came for. No restaurants to research, no itineraries. Just us, nature, and the simple pleasure of an open fire. Sometimes the best adventures happen when you slow down. Thanks for joining our day at Lake of Two Rivers Campground in Algonquin Park, Canada. Where should we explore next? If you want to see more, make sure you're subscribed for our next adventure. Until then, happy tastes and travels.